Ever get that creepy feeling that someone's watching you?
Yeah.
Well, imagine that feeling. But it's your computer.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not just watching, they're controlling it.
Right.
That's basically what we're diving into today. Remote code execution.
Yeah.
RCE.
RCE. It's one of the most powerful weapons in a hacker's arsenal.
Yeah, you hear about these data breaches all the time, and it's often
Yeah.
because of RCE attacks.
It's a way for an attacker to basically take control of your device from anywhere in the world.
So how does this even happen? I mean, is it like they're cracking passwords?
Not exactly. It's more about finding weaknesses,
Okay.
vulnerabilities in your software.
Okay.
So think of it like, you leave a window unlocked in your house and a burglar sneaks in. It's kind of like that.
Oh, okay.
They find a flaw in a program you're running, like your web browser,
Yeah.
your operating system, whatever.
Right.
And they use that flaw to inject their own code, their own malicious code.
So it's like they're planting a little program on your computer.
Exactly. Like a little backdoor.
Okay, and then they can come and go as they please.
Pretty much.
So like drive-by downloads, that's kind of how it works,
yeah,
right?
that's one way. You're browsing the web, maybe a site you visit all the time, but the hacker has compromised the site and injected some bad code. You click on a link or sometimes even just land on the page, and boom, malicious code starts downloading without you even realizing it.
See, that's what gets me. You're just going about your day,
Right.
checking your email, reading news, and suddenly you're infected. So what's the point? Why go through all that effort to get into my computer?
Depends on the hacker. Some are after information. Maybe they want to steal your credit card numbers, your passwords, or your company's secret sauce.
Corporate espionage is a big deal.
Oh, yeah. Huge.
I mean, companies can lose millions from stolen data.
Absolutely. Or they can hold your data hostage.
Ransomware.
Ransomware, exactly. Pay up or we delete everything.
Yeah, that's scary stuff.
It is. And it's not just information they're after. They can also use your computer to mine cryptocurrency.
Cryptojacking, right?
Cryptojacking. Basically, they're using your electricity and your processing power to make money for themselves.
So basically, they're stealing your electricity.
Yeah, pretty much.
So sneaky. I know they can also use our computers for other attacks, too. Like those DDoS attacks?
Exactly.
I never really understood how those worked.
Well, imagine a million computers all trying to access the same website at the same time. It's like a digital stampede, and the website just can't handle it, so it crashes. And the attacker can control all those computers. Your computer could be one of them because they've all been infected with RCE malware.
That's wild. And I'd have no idea.
Probably not, no.
So basically, we're at the mercy of these hackers.
Well, not exactly. There's a lot we can do to protect ourselves.
Okay, because right now, I'm feeling very vulnerable.
I hear you, but honestly, a lot of it comes down to common sense. Like, always keep your software updated.
Right. Those updates I always ignore.
Stop ignoring them. Seriously. Those updates often contain patches that fix the very vulnerabilities that hackers are looking to exploit.
So it's like locking your windows before the burglar can get in.
And be cautious about what you click on. Don't open attachments from people you don't know. Don't click on suspicious links, and avoid websites that look shady or untrustworthy.
It's like being street smart.
Yeah, exactly.
But for the digital world.
And there's also technology that can help vulnerability scanning tools.
What are those?
So vulnerability scanners are basically programs that scan your computer or your network for any known weaknesses.
Okay.
They can tell you if you have any outdated software, and some can even help you fix those problems automatically.
So it's like having a security guard for your computer. I like that.
Exactly.
So RCE attacks, they're scary, but we can take steps to protect ourselves?
Absolutely.
We just have to be smart about it.
Be proactive.
So here's something to think about. How many devices in your home are connected to the internet right now? Your computer, your phone, maybe a smart TV, or even your refrigerator. Each one of those devices is a potential entry point for a hacker. So take a moment today to make sure you're doing everything you can to keep yourself safe.